went down.
Uh-huh.
So I'm so excited. Finally, I'm so excited. And
How long
so
have you been
excited.
without using them?
I think like 5 years already. So like this is very, very special to me.
And it's the first time Nachos is going to meet them too.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Nachos? Look like he is.
So they're on fourth floor. OMG. 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 Babe, are you excited? Do you know who are you gonna meet? Do you know? 407. Here, Mama. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
What if they don't like you anymore?
I know. They're not.
5.
Okay.
7 later.
Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Hi ka everyone! Hello! Welcome to our YouTube channel!
Oo. Di ba pa sa ano din sa school? Tama pa naman ano?
Hi, man. Ito, papunta kami sa ating punto.
See you later.
See you later. Yan, si Mama. Tita Ana, Tita Si.
Okay naman po. Galing kami sa hotel. Papunta kami sa... Ay, from airport, heading to our hotel. On the way kami sa hotel namin. Nandito kami ngayon sa tax. Malaking tax. Hello. Mama, Tita Si, Tita Ana, Kuya. Mexico City. Ano mo, pare-pare yung kulay eh. Orange. Dito na kami sa
Layo. Hindi na matagal ako.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hotel Punto.
Hello. Thank you dito. Mama, tita Sinta. Hotel Punto.
Room lang yung room namin. Tatlo. CR. Two bedroom. Two bedrooms. Naman yung 408. Turong nila Nancy, no?
Any bag?
Turong namin yun.
Isa, bigyan mo na yung pera.
Isa dito na. Ayun.
Here. Ito nga. First, the bathroom.
First room. Bathroom.
Tapos, we have two
Dito
beds.
si Mama. Isa, Tita Ana. This one.
Ito yung first room.
Next room. Saan yung keycard din? Saan yung keycard?
Ano ba to? Yung cabinet.
Yung fire.
Nakuna mo na.
Okay, mayroon nila dito si 428.
Second room.
CCR.
Ang bathroom. Ito room namin ni Ate Nancy. Waiting pa sila Ming, Tony, tsaka si Nachos. Ito yung room nila Ate Loida, ni Nisa, tsaka ni Makmak, Mark Nico. Ito naman yung room namin ni Ate Nancy. Sila Ming, Tony, tsaka si Nachos waiting pa. Thank you. Thank you.
Diaz. Ay, hindi. Ano naman? Buenas tardes pala.
Happy
Meeting.
Buenas. Ito na yung room nilang tatlo.
Pwede na mag-isang
Yan.
Yay! We're
kami.
in Mexico City.
Kami naman, doon kami sa kabila. Dito kaming dalawa. Hindi na mag-alis. Ito ang hotel namin. Yan. Yan. Kilamig. Saan kayo kilamig? Yan. Yun yung baba, oh. Yan. Ayan. Ganda. Ito yung room namin. May TV. Gulo pa. Lisa. Mako.
Pagod sa biyahe.
Haba ng biyahe. Ito ang hotel namin dito sa Mexico. Hotel Punto. Ayan. Tanong sa baba. Ayan. 3 rooms. Ayan, tanong sa baba. Ganda. Ito kila Ate Loida, Inisa, tsaka kay Mark Nico. Dito naman kami ni Ate Nancy. Fourth floor. Hi! Ito yung room namin ni Ate Nancy. Ito naman yung room nila Ate Loida. Yan. Sila Meng, wala pa eh. Hinihintay pa namin.
are going on our way
Yeah.
to meet Lloyd's family. How do you feel?
Oh my god. They're one floor down.
Uh-huh.
So I'm so excited. Finally. So excited. And
How long
so
have you
excited.
been without you seeing them?
I think like 5 years already. So like this is very, very special to me.
And it's the first time Nacho's going to meet them too.
Yeah.
Are you excited, Nachos? Look like he is.
So they're on fourth floor. OMG. 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 Babe, are you excited? Do you know who are you gonna meet? Do you know? 407. Here, oh my god, I'm nervous.
What if they don't like you anymore?
I know. Babe, come on. They're not cool.
Fine.
Okay. 407.
Those are right there.
Are we ready?
Uh-huh.
Dito yung this is not a joke. Para ako nananaginip. Para ako nananaginip. I love you, anak. I love you, anak. Hey, Tony! Hi, baby! Hey, Tony!
Hi, how are you?
Baby! Baby na! Your mama is crying, baby. Your
Lola.
mama is crying. I'm your Lola, anak. I'm your
Lola.
It's been 7 years.
Mama, si Nachos na.
Baby,
Sabi niya, sino ba ito?
Parang di pa rin nagsisingin.
Ate! Nagtatawanan pa kami kanina at iiyak lang pala tayo. Ano ba yan?
Pati si Tony, naiiyak din.
Sabi ni
Stop now.
Nachos, sino ba itong mga to?
I miss you. I miss you. Dito yung chest na ka-joke. Para ako na nanaginip.
Nakatingin si Nacho. Sabi niya, ba't sikrayo si Mommy? Nacho!
Ay, Tommy. Ay, baby. Baby. Your mama is crying, baby.
Lola.
Ay, your Lola.
Lola.
It's been 7 years.
Five.
Paano?
Mama, sige Nacho na. Iyak lang pala tayo. Ano ba yan?
Pati si Tony naiyak din.
Sabi ni Nacho, sino ba itong mga to? Nachos!
Hindi na pala ni Nacho.
Oh my God.
Ay, naku.
You're not his
Hi, Mar.
baby.
How are you?
I can't believe.
Hindi ba nagsisakit sa akin masyado?
Nachos!
Our flight also got delayed. But for, I think, an hour.
An hour on, yes, we saw.
May heart attack na ako, no?
Ayun, ma.
Hey, Nachos.
Boy, why are you crying?
Hey, ma! Come here!
Come on! Come on, baby! Come, baby! Come, baby! Come, baby!
Come on, ma!
Come, baby! You're dirty, early is dirty, ah! Ano? Delayed kami over. Sobrang delayed.
Coming 3 hours.
1 hour.
3 hours.
Hey, baby!
Kami, kamusta ba?
Ay! Do you know them, babe? Do you know them, babe? You don't know them pala eh. Overwhelmed yan.
A few moments later.
This is for May and Tony!
Oh, Mary! Is that for nachos? OMG! This is for nachos! Thanks, Mom! Thank you! I know you guys are
You're welcome.
Open it!
Oo!
Try.
We're gonna open it. You first, you first. Unboxing video.
Hindi
This
yata.
is our very first luxury designer.
Ganyan mo na lang.
We hope you liked it. Wow!
Thank you.
Hindi, oo nga eh. Okay lang ba yun? $1? Okay lang yun? Hindi naman siya naniniwala sa ganun.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. You're very, very welcome. Nachos!
Okay, I'm... Babe, are you the photo?
Nagtampo. Meron naman siyang paper box.
Marami naman yung trees.
Papakita ko kay Ma.
And then the next one, you should go to our room para naman yung...
How about yours?
Okay, hold
Open
on.
it.
I'm gonna open it. So this is Louis Vuitton. Thank you very much for fresh from France.
Price, yeah.
Yeah.
Paris price.
So I'm gonna just remove it.
Pumila pa kami dyan ng bongga-bongga.
I know.
Come my baby, come my baby.
Yeah. My mom said this. Okay, and then
I hope it's correct.
woo, first Louis Vuitton bag. Alam mo naman magsa-second ka.
Go to your mommy. Go to your mommy and daddy.
Yes.
favorite mo, sabi mo eh. Yung isa wala, no?
Yung isa wala.
Yung isa
Very
wala eh.
posh. This is a crossbody ba?
Yung isa wala, yung gusto mo wala eh.
It's okay.
It
May next
also-
time pa.
Oo. Italy
There's a
daw.
wallet inside, Beng.
Like, there's a
Ay, ganun ba?
Yeah, there's a wallet
Oh, yeah,
inside.
yeah, yeah.
Ah,
There's this
meron pala.
parang pouch siya.
Alam mo?
First.
Hindi ko namin nabuksan yun.
And then parang meron pa siyang organizer ng mga cards. Ay, dito, ano to? Parang, oh yeah.
We're going to visit Italy and then we'll look for the other one.
Very posh. No, I'm going to Italy.
Okay.
With Tony. I don't know about nachos.
Oo, baka
Next year, we're going to visit LA.
Gonna, try. Ooh, very
Ah.
posh.
You like it?
But we can, I love it.
Okay.
You should post. Both of you, you should post.
You should
Does
use it
he?
now.
Ate, post. Both of you post. Post kayo. Take a photo.
O, si ano?
Oh, hold your wallet and yes. One. Huwag kayo magulo.
Babe, what happened?
Hindi siya sama sa picture. Family photo. Woohoo. Woohoo.
Wallet.
Show your wallet. Yay! Yay! Okay.
Nachos, baby!
Show them your trick, babe. Remember we talked about it. You're gonna show your trick to them. Give me your phone. High five. Lahat ng plate na nagaling ko na Oo, yeah.
Ay, 5 hours?
We went out of
Ito nga pala yung room nila, Meng, Tony, tsaka ni Nachos. Yan.
Hi, Nachos.
Welcome. It's welcoming you. Are you welcoming them,
Oh,
babe?
hi, baby.
Do you know them? You're welcoming them pala.
Baby!
Kaping niya na.
Hello, baby! Nachos!
Dapat ko na dito.
Sahig na lang.
Your bag, ay, your t-shirt.
This is all for you. Except for this is not just ano. So, I don't know.
Sobrang free.
Miss, I don't know if this kasha sa'yo.
Yes, that's kasha to me. Yes, definitely. It's mine. Yeah. Thank you so much.
This is supposed to be mine.
Give it to me, come on. Thank you.
Here, Pasko.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. I will use this
Ito, may
already.
Nisa dito. Sour Patch.
Yan! Oh my gosh! Thank you so much!
Ito sa ating baon. Ay, ito mga, sa mga doggies, like,
Wow!
these are doggies, doggy treats.
Grabe. Si Nachos, wala pa talaga.
to yung mga nagamit ko. Pero ito long-lasting na lipstick. Talaga hindi nabubura kahit kumain ka.
Wala, gusto ni
Pero
Annabelle yan.
na-try ko na yun. Ito, for Tita Ana, these are... Ay, tinanggal ko nga pala sa box yung mga boots nyo.
Wow!
Tita Ana.
It's okay.
Wow.
Ganda.
Tita si yung olay na biling ko. Ito, Tita Ana, akin talaga.
Wow! Wow! Bagay yan sa boots.
Uy, lagay na natin to.
Bagay sa boots.
Lagay na natin to. Ilan natin lang to sa mga
Ito, and
babies, oh.
this one kay Nisa ulit.
Yes! Thank you.
Ito sa babies again.
Oh, wow. Ang dami naman.
Yeah, because 20 sila, di ba?
Hindi, ano, 12 na lang.
And this is for, I don't know kung kanino kasha to, kay tita si or kay mom. This is a boots. But this is for you to pay.
Tita, si gusto niya
Kasi
daw.
ito, 6.5 kasi.
Ganyan din yung...
Ganyan din yung kay Ama.
Pero this one is waterproof talaga. As in, nakalagay waterproof.
Oo. Susukatin ko muna.
No, and this is some,
Pagkikita sa akin, kay Lloyda.
Oh. And then, this is for Nisa. Oy, Nisa, bayaran mo
Yes!
ako dito.
Woo! Give it to me. Wow! Thank you!
Ay, pinilan ko pala kayo ng green juice, ha? Wait lang yun sa'yo, ma. Ito, Tita Ana, mga pamanong sapatos.
Yan yung mga
I don't...
ano.
Actually, maganda yung itong doll.
Kuya,
Kasi hindi ko alam
take
kung
over.
kasya sa'yo yan.
Na.
Yeah!
Kuya, take over.
Oh, this is mine. Ay, ma, ito yung sa watch band.
Ayan o, binigay ko
Ito,
kinisa.
para
Kasi hindi rin ako
pag mga sa shop.
Okay, I will change now.
Less casual,
I will use this because Mama doesn't have iPhone, so I will use this.
Tapos ito, super green juice. Actually, pwede natin itong inumin everyday.
Ah, yun
Para
yan yun.
maganda siya, para cleansing, para sa
Eh, baka
umaga.
naman,
No, you know, you're not gonna...
hindi baka umaga pa na rin.
No. That's mine.
Uy, baka na Nachos!
That's, Lisa, ito yung ano.
Gusto niya ng
Miss,
matulog. Nachos! Nachos!
babe, what you doing? Don't do that. Ay, ito kay Tita C.
Ayan, orange na.
Pero, parang ang laki-laki naman nito, Tita C, sabi sa'yo eh. Lisa, di ka nag...
Ganito yung mga suit dito eh.
Yeah. And then,
Nachos!
this one as well, kay Tita C.
Bakit?
Wow.
Si Ana?
No, they have theirs as well.
Parang di kasha kay Tita Sian.
Share sa kanya.
Kung hindi kasha to sa'yo, kay Mama. Ah, okay, dyan muna yun. And then this one is for Mama.
Yan.
Ay,
Ah,
kasi ba't
pinalitan
parang
mo?
ang laki? Oo, parang
Tama lang din.
sabi ko sa'yo, try mo nga, Ma. O, di ba mo nga?
I-adjust mo to.
Ang laki niyan kasi.
Okay naman. Mahirap ang
Ma'am, this one is for you.
Wow.
And
Mayo.
also this.
Wow. I'm
And
looking
also
for
this.
this.
Hindi, ano eh.
That one, oh.
Actually, pwede naman kayo.
Is that mine?
Ano.
Is that mine? Give it to me.
Ito sa inyong dalawa.
Yay! Thank you!
For,
Okay, ang dami. Thank you.
Okay lang sa akin, May.
As in, ulala doon.
and this one is for Tita Ana. This one is for
Wow!
Tita Ana.
Wow!
And also this for Mom.
How about for Nisa?
This one is also for
Ah,
Mom.
ganda.
Sa tumingin.
Ha?
Pang winter.
No, hindi yan pwede pang winter. Sobrang lamig niya pag sa winter.
Pero maluwang.
And then this one is also for Tita Ana.
Wow! Ay, dapat bibili siya niyan. Buti na lang, di na siya bibili.
Ito pwede yung ipatong mo dyan. Sukat mo nga, Tita Ana.
Pwede yung suot yan sa inyo.
Ito sa'yo.
What's that?
Yung banana wrap na.
Okay, thank you. Ang
And
dami.
also this, I got you one of these as well.
Ay, thank you so much!
That's why you said like, ay, ang ganda
Yeah.
naman yan.
Thank
I was
you.
like, okay, I got you one.
Ang dami.
Ito, Mac, bigyan kita ng gum. Ito yung sugarless, saka matigas siya na.
Thanks, man.
And then,
Lahat pala ng, lahat ng,
Sa atin nga daw yan, buong maleta.
everything that you pack is for us.
yeah.
Sa'yo nga tuloy na.
This one,
Tama lang eh.
Pwede yan sa'yo, Tita C. Okay lang yan, hindi mo may sarap.
hindi kitang mataba pag tingnan mo sa salamin. I think yung other one parang sobrang lang sa'yo. Pwede kong isole, ipapalit.
Pagpunta natin US na lang.
Kaya hindi ko tinanggal yung ano eh, price tag eh. Huwag yun, tita si...
Naguguluhan si
Mga
Tony
kasha
sa
mo,
inyo.
iyan mo, right, kasha? Maganda?
Oo. Naguguluhan si Tony is watching us and maybe is very where your
Nisa, ito,
family
oh,
opening is so
pwede mo siyang papalitan ng ano. Although ito, na-repair na to eh.
It's okay.
But ito,
It's okay.
hindi na yan yung original.
Okay lang.
But this is good. This is actually
Yeah,
really
thank you.
Kaso may gravity.
Okay.
Wow!
Thank you. What else?
Ayun, thank you. Naku, nakalimutan ko na yung anak ko. Tingnan niyo ba yan? Ano ba naman? Yan ang anak ko. Ay, tita Ana, ito. Hindi ko sure. Tita Ana or Nisa, ito kasi gamit ko na to. Pero,
Ate, I'm fine. Give it to Tita Ana. She wants that.
Sorry, Nacho. Sorry.
Ayan.
Oo, kasi ano ko, naku.
kawawa yung anak ko. Yung ano. Tita Ana, this one is also coat. It's like a coat. Plain like that. May hood. Pero ano, akin to dati, pamana ko yun. Hindi ko nagagamit kasi.
Ang dami naman.
Replacement to, no? This one, oh. Oh. Tita Ana, oh. Ay, Misa.
Uy, Tisa, ba't nandiyan ka?
This mom.
Uy, Nisa yung boots.
I don't know. This is another shades na
Dami na siya isa.
I don't know if you or Nisa ay ano.
That's mine.
Maganda. Ganun siya.
Kinisa lang.
Kakaiba. Pambata.
Mine.
Talaga may na naman siya. Mine.
Ate, may problema. Sige.
Seriously?
Yeah. Hindi, lagyan mo ng medyas. Naka-medyas ka ba? Sige, nakukulan na yung medyas mo ngayon.
No! Luwagan mo yung sintas, Nis.
Okay.
Siyempre. Pati si Dumi.
Sorry, forgot about you, ah.
Sorry, Nacho siya.
Eh, grabe naman, kawawa naman. Ako, kawawa naman. Kawawa naman yan, oh. Ano ba yan? Dinaabi ko yung anak ko naman, ah. Ba't ganyan? This, can you give me that back? I'm gonna give him his treat. Okay, let's show them your trick, babe, ha? Remember?
Parang mas malaki yan sa amin na ano na kwarto. Bakit sa inyo
Oo.
parang maliit lang?
It's okay,
Hindi,
dalawa.
pareho. See?
Alright. So, ito, we're gonna, ay, no, wait lang, ang ganyan. Ano yun ang tapo naman niya?
Kinain niya yan sa aeroplano.
Hindi, ano yung tricks yan? Ay, nagdala pala ako. Ito yung treat ni Nachos. Papatikin natin sa mga doggy sa Pinas.
Uy, di ka niya.
No, meron din siya di. Uy, you have one box of this.
Dami na.
Hindi ko na inano kasi box yung ano yan mabigat. Okay, here
Sakto naman sa inyo.
Okay.
Masikip na. Masikip.
Let's give them the, let's show them your trick, ha, babe. Okay, let's see. Wag mo kay pamilya.
Binigyan ng lock ha. Binigyan
Wait
ng
lang,
lock.
wait lang.
Wait, wait, wait.
Sit.
Sit, baby.
Wait
Sit,
lang,
baby.
sit.
Sit.
Po.
Wow.
Advance. Okay, wait. High five. Good job! Okay, here. Sit. Oh, what pa yun? High five! High five again! Po! He ate. Di ba you ate? You ate it. I thought they were both parents. Hindi ka siya, Nis?
Hindi ka na, pakagutom na rin si Tony is hungry already.
Baka kasi bago pa.
Oh, yun.
Hindi pang...
Ito dito masikip.
I think ilakad mo siya.
Ayaw niya kasi hindi.
We're gonna... Ay, no, wait lang. Ano ba yan? Ano yun ang tapo naman niya?
Kinain niya yan sa aeroplano.
Hindi. Ano pala, ito yung treat ni Nachos. Papatikim natin sa mga doggy sa Pinas.
Oh, hindi kanya.
No, meron din siya dito. Uy, you have 1 box of this, ha?
Dami
Hindi ko na inano kasi box yung ano yun mabigat. Okay, then,
Baby.
here, oh.
Ano?
Okay.
Baby, they're in
Let's
the
give them their,
Philippines.
let's show them your treat, ha, babe. Okay, let's see. Wag mo kayo pahiya.
Niliganak lang pa. Niliganak
Wait lang,
lang.
wait lang.
Wait.
Sit.
Sit, baby.
Wait
Sit,
lang,
baby.
sit.
As-
Po.
Wow.
Advance. Okay, wait. High five. Good job. Okay, here. Sit. Oh, what ba yun? High five. High five again. Po.
Big gutom ata.
He ate already. Di ba you ate? You ate it.
Oh, yes.